Welcome to our Children's Electronic Gadgets channel. Here is Rosa speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is double drive children ride-on car with 40W*212V9AH*1 battery, parent remote control, electron-assisted steering wheel, foot pedal, LED lights, music board with USB/Bluetooth/MP3/music/volume. Let's start to introduce product-related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also welcome to go on our website sarikainc.com. Battery 12V9A*1. Motor 40W*2550. Charger 12V 1000 mAh. Car speed 3 to 8 km per hour. Applicable age 2 kids 1 to 3 years old, 1 kid 3 to 8 years old. Product size 123*88*80 cm. Maximum load 88 pounds. AB carton A116.5*66.5*37 cm B58.5*40*37 cm. AG.W/N.W20.5/16 kg BG.W/N.W8/6 kg. Test standards SORCA 65CA65 F963 XIAEN 71123 EN 62115 Phthalates content 3 CBO 4.25 CEC, DOE. Function: electron assisted steering wheel. Forward and backward. High and low speed. Front and back light. 4-piece searchlight. USB/Bluetooth/MP3/music/volume adjustment/power display/1 button start/light control button. 2.4 GR/C with 3 speed. 4-wheel shock absorber. Metal adjustable pull rod. 2 doors can open. About children's electronic gadgets. Shop from a great collection of children's gadgets and children's electronic gadgets at http://www.sarikainc.com. Our store offers kids' bikes and riding toys, rockers, swing sets, outdoor sports toys and more. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, Sarika can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.